channel, Beauty Runs Wild. Okay, for all of you who have signed up for our 60-day revenge body transformation, look at me. This is day one. We are going to do the detox ingredients, and I'm going to take you guys along with me to show you exactly what it all entails, and then I'm just going to give you some brief overview on, you know, what it is you all should be eating during this challenge, just so we can achieve the best results. All right, so let's go. So you're going to need a chopping board, a knife, a blender to blend up, measuring cups. You're going to need so honey is optional to add a little flavor to this detox. You're gonna need a slice from half of an apple. You're gonna need a teaspoon of cinnamon. That's what we have here. You're gonna need lemon juice from half of a lemon. So I'm gonna squeeze the lemon juice out of half of this lemon. And then you're also gonna need 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. We're gonna mix all that up inside this beautiful blender. And there you have it, that's your detox. If you tuned in, that means you're interested, you signed up, and you're ready to get your body into shape.